Hello my friends, John here, and I wanted to share a quick little tip that I thought you might find useful. As the seasons change and the temperatures begin to drop, it means that it's time to put away the summer clothes and break out the cold weather gear. With all of this bulky clothing on, even something as simple as trying to zip up your jacket while wearing thick gloves can be a challenge. While there's no getting around the fact that some basic tasks are going to be a little bit more difficult, we can offer up a simple solution to the zipper thing by showing you how to make an effective improvised zipper pull. All you need for this is a common household zip tie. Insert the zip tie through the opening at the bottom of the zipper. Loop it around and lock it back on itself a couple of notches. Snip off any excess from the end to prevent snagging. You should now be able to easily grasp the pull and zip up your jacket with no problem, ensuring that you stay nice and warm. This method can also be used on other gear as well, such as your bags or pack. It not only helps make them easier to open, but has the added benefit of being able to color code individual pockets, allowing you to quickly identify and locate the contents you're looking for. Well, I hope that you found this little tip helpful, and if so, please take a second to hit the thumbs up button. It lets us know that you enjoyed the video, not to mention we really appreciate it. Until next time, thank you very much for watching, and we'll be seeing you soon.